Up early today at Community Cell, found me a sealed NES controller. Pretty sweet. Got that and an SP with a couple games, Spyro. No charger though. For $7. So today's starting off good. Wow, leaving that cell right now. I'm not really finding a lot of things, but I did find Soul Silver. Let me see. They had sticker on it for $3, and they said that any sticker price is 50% off. So I got this for $1.50. Guys, I'm back. Just made a sweet little score right now. Check out, I got Mario Kart, Punch Out, Mario Party, the original, a couple of DS games, N64, 2 remotes, all the cords. And I got this the day after yard sales. I actually succeeded and gave someone my number, and I always take their number. I always say, people always ask me, let me get your number, and I always say, let's exchange numbers. So people agree to exchange numbers and be persistent, and you'll get some killer deals.
Broke the rubber, busted a nut up in your mother. So how you feel about having another little brother?